Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie the First. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and around us and about us. You see? Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. I'm going to grow the platform. You don't know it's all about re-energizing the youth, them self-esteem and self-confidence, Yeah, we give thanks. See? So, we notice, as you see from the thumbnail, you must know what's going on here. So, 20 million get robbed in East Kingston. 20 million Jamaican dollar get robbed in East Kingston. I know a whole heap of ones and ones I expect and I hope I have a say, I make a speech on the argument. You know, see it? So, but I want just sit back and relax, You know what I say, somewhat. See, and just make it run. Because enough things we observe still over the time. See, number one of the main things is that I don't hear nothing about that. I don't hear no youth, no corner, no reflection, nothing from nowhere in East Kingston regarding the money. I look like the money are well buried. The man them, if a gangster do this, them principle more than anything else. You know, see, because the money are lock off till a specific time and I wait for share. It could have very well gone in somebody's account already. But we are going to deal with the ghetto youth them first. You know, see it? Yeah, we don't understand, because we don't hear nothing from the streets. See? I did a day, the tree, the shooting, the big shootout will go on in the downtown. The other day, where the tree man them get wall and thing, when them go kill a man. I know the one will come from East. Seeing from them calling, from them say, one of them come from East Kingston immediately, before me hear the news, official news said the three man them get caught downtown. Me get the news, oh, the one from East is and the whole thing and the whole 100. You see what I say? See? So, with a robbery going where with a celebration, a joy, a money, no man. You know what I say? More something more money than one. Because them youth nowadays, them youth, you can see them youth are fame them are the crime for. Them youth are not do crime again. Me not really see no youth are the crime where them are hide. A shop done alone. Me say, do crime and hide. Right through the time, I'm going to speculate, people can speculate until in the recent days that them go some up and grab him off and charge him for somebody, put him on ID parade or somebody see him on a triple Merkins. You don't know. They were working a mysterious way. I just saw it, you see it. There was a wonderful place. You see it? And the thing about that, man must say, yeah, when I try to point out certain facts regarding this whole thing, you have people challenge I like so well, then I take side as that. What I saw at the limited scope, I was thinking. But anyway, we could continue with the reading. You see it, because we'll get the night. Kingston, Jamaica, a security vehicle carrying tens of millions of dollars was robbed by gunmen in East Kingston. When we hear the word East Kingston behind that star, I say, I can't express. Observer online understand that armed robbers made off with more than 20 millions after ambushing the Beryllium Security Company vehicle after it reportedly developed mechanical problem along Jackson Road in Rollington Town. Now, Jackson Road is like, I think it's less than quarter mile long. And you have a police station at the top. Rollington to right a Gilcher Street, you stop at Gilcher Street, I right at Gilcher Street and Jackson Road, Rollington Town Police Station, the right there. Somebody can drive past the robbery in a progress, come up and reach the station, tell them, before the robber them get out the whole of them bag. I even get out the bag, the police them hot on them heels before them gone away. Easy. No doubt. No doubt. No doubt in my mind about that. You see? So it really, we just give you an idea how the place set up. You see? Information reaching our news team is that while repair work was being done on the defective vehicle, armed robbers alighted from a motor car that drove up, held up before security guards and stole the cash before making their escape. Now would I like be the insurance company investigator where I deal with a case. Sorry. Air freshener. We are deal with a case here. Strawberry plugins, you know. Yeah. Me would love that, you know, at them meal deal, you love get up and cause a guy, you know, something have to go work out, you know, Rasta, cause too much all there, so. You know, see it, and you have to go do something for cover the film. No, we have to go know what's going on. Too much. Sorry. Well, I don't get hard with it. Robbers alighted from a motor car that drove up, held up the 4 security guards and stole the cash before making their escape. Maybe a youth, them gonna hear that. Beryllium released a statement confirming that there was an incident involving one of its vehicles. We are aware of an incident involving a Beryllium Limited vehicle that took place on June the 8th, 2022. The incident is now the subject of a police investigation. We will provide an update once we are authorized to do so, the company said. The Kingston East police are investigating the incident. Yes, you to go and do the thing. Go on, in East Kingston police, you know, we should know all the best, you know, on the due diligence. Yo, this, yeah, 20 million in East Kingston, then monks get a youth and me don't know about it. Well, I saw you got the youth, them a move militant then. You know, see it? Yeah. My brethren cold dead in front of Rollington Town Police Station, so I'm put that in the argument again, so that's the eye them. You know what we are dealing. This is what I say. Cold dead right in front of the police station, let them say from unknown. Let's see, yeah, Father Cole, man. Give Father Cole a shout out on them there, you know. Yeah, you there. The road. You know, see, the road, Cole. Yeah, regardless of how any guy will observe that you my soldier that. Yeah. Screw if you don't want to screw and say what you want to say. Yeah, what we are look for is your vehicle brought down in the ghetto, in the heart of the ghetto, because Bower Banks the right there, sir. Van Street the right there, sir. See? Gilcher Street the right there, sir. Burger Gully, McGregor Gully, East Kingston, you're in the middle. Dunkirk, man, them have access to this, so easy. That road named Jackson Road come like it there in the middle of East. Everybody from East use that road there. Everybody from East use Rollington Town, Rasta. You know, see it? Everybody from East claims Rollington Town. Rollington Town no belongs to nobody. So for your car, I wait name to go around there so then. Go broke down and around the park, I have mechanic, I work on them vehicle. You know, have a rat patrol park up there with you, with 20 million in there. Lie you not tell. I be an man, did they there? No. And them did I work on the car themselves, so them back turn and them say a suspicious car, I pull up, fit, wheel off and position them. I lie them I tell. I'm telling that. Hey, I'm telling that. I don't know fix the car. I tell all the police them really. Police, everybody get a cut. Everybody, all the investigator. All the investigator, when the investigator goes up and knock on the first door. Because investigator I know you that, you know. Investigator knock on the first door. Yeah. The man will open that door, they open it with bricks. A bricks. He supposed to have a big bricks on it in front of him chest and I use him and open the door. I mean when they open the police just say a stack of bricks gone up, sir. And just say we are dealing with, sir. I'm just drop them and walk away. Yeah, officer knows if just scrape up them there and go on and go right where you want right, Rasta. Yeah, simple. A Jamaica that. And who expect anything better, Rasta? Good luck. Good luck. One police, Mr. Who would I expect better from him alone couldn't affect no change this because I'm sure him was a friend them. If he was a friend them, ever know so him go like he boy play no pristine game amongst them. Oh, he might lead on somewhere. You see it? Yeah. Anyway, we not accept that. We not take that, Rasta. We not say we are going to know and hear everything because that's how we there do it thing. And you know, nobody don't want them things just so strong possibility say I get to you do it and it's the information is being withheld from I. Make a look on it so. Cause I mean. See? But when you look on the circumstances them surrounding that robbery or Rasta, I man can't accredit it to get a youth. You see it? If another security man them set up that first thing them in that community, anyway in that vicinity that them are vigilant. First thing, a man in Jamaica, you know, you nah think say y'all get robbed and get over with their life. It's a strong possibility say you might lose it. Worse, somebody think you protect as a security guard at your arm. You see, alright, so the man them catch you half guard. By some magic, the man them catch all of them 4 security there, 3, 2, 1, half guard. Them the disarm on firearms them. Or we don't see it in the news so on the firearm get disarm or nothing like that. We don't hear some firearm discharge or nothing like that. No shooting, no nothing. The man them just a button the man them did a gather money with, which should be a new trend in Jamaica because them things they outdated from before me have sense Rasta. You know see it? Security guard will carry money. You know see it? Shotgun and all sort of handgun. We not gonna take no. It no add up. A Jamaican them themselves too, you know, but I feel like say them covered. Them man are prepared. Most of them are ex-police and ex-soldier, ex-army. You know what I say? Most of them. See? So, because it make it easier for them to get the permit for carry the firearm. You know, see it? And them man are prepared. Them man are bust it. More cap everybody get for bus for them one whenever them want Rasta. You see, so the man are look for a reason for bust it. Me nah ask Rasta. And look, when you're there right that's up on Jackson Road, you expect oh gosh man, a fool them people you check for Rasta. You see it? And then now the authorities them just quiet about it so. Now, me the talk in another story say. That story there and another story. Me surprised how more right now happen. But this is the other story that I talk about. First one was the politician them. We are drop. Now this is the next one we are talking about. With them only high powered thing there. What we see at Jamaica. It's surprising to me more of them type of thing you know happen. A big coward of them. That's why we more lean on the side say it's an inside job this one with this. Because the gunman them at Jamaica them no look for challenge. You mad? Worse them know like me. So most of them guys it's like you challenge. It's like you just walk out on a jeep load. A car. A man. You know see it? It's like you just walk out on a jeep load. You can hear a story, a car pull up and rob them. Can't see a man them in other place do it. But it would have easier if them do it on foot. Because them would have easier overwhelm the security guard them in any event. Because them could just take 2 backyard, walk 2 yard and just walk out on them madly and seriously. And outnumber them and, you know what I say? And just grab with them and grab with them and cut. And you hear that say, boy, the man them in the air on foot do that. You not hear so the car pull up nothing. You know, you know vague story without the man them make them get away or them approach and all of them sort of thing there. You know, see, it's like easier for the man them in the area pull it off like that. You know, see, and me I tell you, say, the man them would have, and yeah, because with the awareness, say, them guys are trained You know, them guys are trained. Every one of them secured. And in a plane, you have the other one, you know, we just rise up in the, in the rank in a way there, you know. You know, see it, but mostly as some you know, security personnel like army or police, seeing and them man they prepared and head hot. I mean, now see them man they stand up there so. And the man walk to drive upon them and rob them. Just so a serious shoot out. Serious thing a go on this Rasta. Before the man they get where anything go on. Now one car load of man now drive upon them. Two of them now drive upon two of them neither. And do it. And get away with that. No Rasta. You know see. So me is after a story of a couple of days and I hope say when I hear some ghetto youth to share it up or something like that on the road, that's all. But no, you're not like that. You see, and again, it to the calm behind it, we can only say, boy, I do it themselves, Rasta. It just sound too placid, too vague, too standard. Them gunman, the coward. If them gunman, they step to them boy and them up. And the possibility for them walk where Rasta left them standing without bruising none of them. You know, it's slim. It's slim. It's slim. I don't see this happening the way all them guys say it happen. I try to trick poor people like so we are idiot Rasta. You see? I don't see this happen the way all them say it happen. And I sure say, even I in myself I expect more of them type of thing happening in Jamaica, which it don't. Why? Because the simple fact say, the man them no. Accept challenge. Arm challenge. The step of them, the gunman them at Jamaica these days. Yeah? Run from other challenge like them. You never know. The man them not in a that. You see, them rather prey upon an unarmed person around there, so a woman too, and pick me. You see, no man a walk up and no man where him know have it and go jam him and take it. I must by accident, them buck up enough man where have it. And, you know, sometimes, most of the time, man, them will have it coward too. You know, see it, so a guy get to take it easy and gone. Surprise or something like that. But you ever very rarely it's them guys there. Not these guys nowadays anyway. You know see, them guys they no take threat, no step to threat. You know see, no disrespect Rasta. No disrespect. No disrespect. So really and truly when I see this, I go on the way I go on and people are say I credit it to, you know, still like them sit back and expect, say, we are going to see some robber get caught and I feel strongly say we would have seen that by now. If that was the case, we would have seen that by now. Because of that with them again. Or I see them very police, they're very vigilant and swift to the task when things like them things happen. You know, see it. And again, the police, them in the bigger. You know, see it. Because if police, them right, you know, the police, them want to know who not for the sake of, not judiciary, not for the sake of the judiciary, you know. You don't see it, not for the sake of that. But the police, them will want to know who do it, don't feel no way. You don't see it, and them the mind be in on the whole scam. As long as them get for them pound of flesh. I just a system. You see, but we now go there and act naive. And be culpable while people and I act naive. And just make it happen. So we are asked certain questions are relevant and certain things want to add up to we. You know, see, we now just take it sitting down so Rasta. You see, I know a lot of people find the whole thing suspicious same way, but you know, might not have the voice, the vibe, or the platform for articulate them feelings. You know, see it, so we're there and we are doing it. We don't love what go on. We don't accept that or unachieve that. Anyway, we give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe. And we love the challenging the logics and explain certain things, cause like me I say enough of them things and question we are asked. And I give thanks. Rastafari.